Hi everyone, Andy from Fukushima City Tourism and Convention Association here. You've probably heard of origami, which is the traditional art of folding paper, but today I'm going to introduce Mizuhiki, which is another traditional art that uses Japanese paper rolled into cords, and then that is wrapped in silk or coloured paper, and it's popular to make jewellery and little trinkets with that. Traditionally you'll see them on a lot of invitations in Japan like this. So today I'm at Mizuhiki Kobo Yume in front of Fukushima Station, and you can come along and try a workshop. So today we're going to try our hand at making some Mizuhiki. Let's have a look.
Deきました。